How to log in into Citizens Bank online banking account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application from your PC. At the top search bar, you have to type in citizensbank.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now you have to click on the login option from your right top corner. Then you will see personal/business. You have to click on this expand option, select your respective account. Once done, click on to login. Now at this page, you have to enter your user ID. Once you do so, at the next box below, type in your password. Once done, if you would like the site to remember your user ID for future, check the box that says Remember User ID. Once you do all that, click on to log in. In case you're having trouble logging in, you can click on this trouble logging in/password change and they can help you reset your account. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Citizens Bank account. That quite wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.